Picture yourself stepping into a room where Mediterranean charm meets modern comfort, and you'll understand why Club Med Djerba keeps guests coming back year after year. The classic rooms, spanning approximately 25 square meters, might sound modest on paper, but these spaces pack a surprising punch with their clever layout and authentic Tunisian touches. Each room features either a double bed or twin configuration, air conditioning that actually works during those scorching summer months, and a private bathroom with a shower that delivers consistent water pressure. What sets these rooms apart is their attention to detail, from the traditional whitewashed walls that keep interiors cool to the flat-screen TVs that somehow blend seamlessly with the Mediterranean aesthetic. The minibar stays stocked with local favorites, and the free Wi-Fi reaches every corner, though you might find yourself too enchanted by the garden views to bother checking your phone. Moving up the accommodation ladder reveals even more impressive surprises that most guests never expect from a four-star resort. The superior rooms expand to 30 square meters and come with private balconies or terraces that transform your morning coffee routine into a daily ritual of watching the sun paint the Mediterranean in shades of gold and turquoise. These rooms accommodate up to 3 adults comfortably, making them perfect for small groups or couples who enjoy spreading out their vacation essentials. The sea view options command premium rates during peak season, but guests consistently report that waking up to endless ocean vistas makes every penny worthwhile. What many visitors don't realize until they arrive is how the room positioning within the resort creates surprisingly private outdoor spaces, even in the superior category. Family suites present the ultimate solution for travelers who refuse to compromise between togetherness and personal space during their vacation adventures. These 45 square meter layouts feature 2 separate bedrooms connected by a living area that doubles as a social hub for evening card games or morning planning sessions. The kitchenette area proves invaluable for families with specific dietary needs or parents who prefer preparing simple snacks for picky eaters. Some suites offer poolside views that let parents keep a discreet eye on older children while enjoying afternoon relaxation time. The sleeping arrangements accommodate up to 5 guests, though the sweet spot seems to be families of 4 who appreciate having extra room to store souvenirs and beachwear without turning their vacation home into a cluttered mess. Deluxe suites represent the resort's crowned jewels, though their limited availability means booking well in advance becomes essential for securing these premium accommodations. These 50-plus square meter spaces feature private terraces that feel like personal outdoor sanctuaries, complete with exclusive access benefits that include priority check-in and check-out services. The enhanced privacy factor appeals particularly to honeymooners and couples celebrating anniversaries who want resort amenities without constant social interaction. Premium furnishing throughout these suites reflects careful attention to both comfort and style, with locally sourced textiles and artwork that tell the story of Djerba's rich cultural heritage. Guests staying in deluxe suites often mention the surprising quiet factor, as these accommodations occupy prime positions that minimize noise from common areas while maximizing scenic views. Stepping into the dining scene at Club Med Djerba reveals a culinary adventure that goes far beyond typical resort buffet expectations. Jasmin, the main restaurant, serves as the resort's gastronomic heart, where international cuisine meets authentic Tunisian flavors in ways that surprise even seasoned travelers. The breakfast spread alone deserves recognition, featuring everything from fresh Mediterranean fruits to traditional couscous preparations that showcase local culinary traditions. Lunch and dinner buffets rotate through themed menus that might feature Moroccan tagginess on Monday, Italian pasta stations on Tuesday, and fresh seafood celebrations on Friday. What sets La Jasmin apart from other resort dining venues is the live cooking stations where chefs prepare dishes to order, allowing guests to customize spice levels and ingredients according to personal preferences. The restaurant seats approximately 300 guests, yet the layout creates intimate dining pockets that never feel overwhelming or cafeteria-like. La Palmeraie Poolside Bar and Grill transforms casual dining into an art form that perfectly captures the laid-back Mediterranean lifestyle most guests crave during their vacation. This venue operates from noon until sunset, serving grilled meats, fresh fish, sandwiches, pizzas, and salads that taste infinitely better when enjoyed under swaying palm trees with your feet practically in the sand. But Pizza Oven produces thin crust creations topped with local ingredients like harissa spiced lamb and fresh goat cheese that rival anything you'd find in coastal Italian towns. Sandwiches feature house-made bread that arrives warm from the kitchen, stuffed with combinations like grilled halloumi with sun-dried tomatoes or traditional Tunisian merguez sausage with pickled vegetables. The bar extends its hours well into the evening, becoming a gathering spot where guests share stories about their daily adventures while sipping cocktails that incorporate local ingredients like dates and honey. Le Patio Lounge Bar creates an atmosphere that feels more like a sophisticated friend's living room than a typical resort watering hole. This venue specializes in signature cocktails that incorporate distinctly Tunisian elements. Think fresh mint from local gardens, premium dates from nearby oases, and artisanal honey that adds complexity to classic recipes. The bartenders demonstrate genuine expertise in both international cocktail preparation and local flavor profiles, often suggesting drink pairings based on guests' dinner choices or planned evening activities. Operating from late afternoon until midnight, Le Patio serves as the resort's social nucleus where couples enjoy romantic sunset drinks and groups gather for pre-dinner conversations. The seating arrangements encourage mingling while still providing intimate corners for private conversations, and the lighting design creates ambiance that transitions seamlessly from golden hour relaxation to evening sophistication. The resort's reservation policy reflects a refreshingly straightforward approach that eliminates the stress many travelers associate with resort dining logistics. The main restaurant requires no reservations due to its buffet format, though arriving slightly before peak meal times ensures the best selection and shortest lines. Specialty venues like La Palmeraie recommend reservations during high season and special events, but walk-ins usually find accommodation with minimal wait times. The dress code maintains a relaxed resort casual standard throughout the day, with smart casual suggestions for dinner hours that still allow comfortable vacation attire. What many guests appreciate most is the staff's flexibility regarding dietary restrictions and special occasions. Mentioning food allergies, anniversaries, or birthday celebrations during check-in often results in personalized attention that makes dining experiences feel genuinely special rather than mass-produced. Diving into the aquatic offerings reveals why Club Med Djerba's pool and beach combination creates such lasting vacation memories for guests of all ages. The main outdoor freshwater pool stretches approximately 25 meters and maintains perfect temperature year-round through careful climate control that adapts to seasonal weather patterns. What immediately strikes first-time visitors is the pool's strategic positioning within the resort layout, close enough to dining venues for convenient snack runs, yet far enough from guest rooms to ensure peaceful afternoon naps remain undisturbed. The surrounding deck area features premium loungers with thick cushions and adjustable shade umbrellas that actually stay put during windy days, unlike the flimsy equipment found at many competing resorts. The pool's depth varies from shallow entry points perfect for tentative swimmers to deeper sections that accommodate serious lap swimming and water aerobic sessions. Adjacent to the main pool, the children's shallow splash area proves that thoughtful design makes all the difference in family vacation success. This dedicated space features gentle water features, colorful play equipment, and safety measures that let parents relax while kids explore their aquatic confidence. The splash pool's temperature runs slightly warmer than the main pool, acknowledging that children's comfort requirements differ from adult preferences. Poolside service includes complimentary towel provision, though bringing backup towels from your room prevents potential shortages during peak usage periods. The pool area operates from early morning until sunset throughout the year, with brief closure periods for maintenance that staff schedule strategically to minimize guest inconvenience. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our Best Hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.